Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today is Teach You Motif Lib tool, second part. Its function is used for saving stitch type designed by ourself. Select Intelligent Pen tool, draw a repeat stitch. With Motif Lib tool, click point, then right-click. System will give a file name automatically, also you can input by yourself, click OK and save. First you need to create a sewing template using Sewing Template tool. When use Sewing Template tool, click Use Motif, you can see dialog table. Select your stitch and click OK for finish. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.